What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about Cross Country Mortgage. Cross Country Mortgage is a reputable company specializing in home loans and mortgage services, known for its professionalism and competitive rates. Their website offers valuable resources for home buyers and homeowners, showcasing their commitment to providing excellent service in the mortgage industry. Now, let's talk about some of their key benefits and features. Cross Country Mortgage's Fast Track Credit Approval Program is a standout feature that offers a competitive edge in the housing market. By obtaining credit approval quickly, potential home buyers can demonstrate their readiness to purchase a home, which can be a significant advantage when competing with other buyers. This program may not only expedite the loan process but also assure sellers of the buyer's financial capability, increasing the likelihood of securing the desired property promptly. With Fast Track, home buyers can navigate the home buying process with confidence, knowing they have streamlined path to home ownership. Cross Country Mortgage's down payment assistance programs are designed to help first-time home buyers overcome the financial hurdle of a down payment. These programs offer cash grants or secondary loans that can cover closing costs and assist with the initial down payment, making home ownership more accessible to those who may struggle to save for a traditional down payment. By leveraging these assistance programs, buyers can fulfill their dream of owning a home without the burden of a large upfront payment, opening doors to home ownership for a broader range of individuals and families. Cross Country Mortgage's mortgage refinance options provide homeowners with the opportunity by restructuring their existing home loan. Refinancing allows homeowners to consolidate debts, switch from adjustable rate to fixed rate mortgages for stability, or access funds for home improvements or other financial needs. By refinancing, homeowners can potentially lower their monthly payments, reduce interest rates, and improve their overall financial well-being. This service empowers homeowners to make strategic financial decisions that aligns with their long-term goals and aspirations. The CCM Line of Duty Death Benefit Program offers crucial financial protection for first responders and their families in the unfortunate event of a line of duty death. This program provides up to $525,000 in mortgage protection, ensuring that surviving family members can continue to meet their mortgage obligations without added financial strain. By offering this benefit, Cross Country Mortgage demonstrates its commitment to supporting those who serve the communities and provides peace of mind to first responders and their loved ones during challenging times. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. While lender credits can help reduce upfront costs, they may lead to higher interest rates, resulting in increased mortgage expenses over the loan's life. Borrowers need to carefully consider whether the upfront savings outweigh the long-term financial implications of higher interest rates. Cross Country Mortgage's down payment assistance programs are typically reserved for first-time home buyers or those who have not owned a home in the past 3 years. This eligibility restriction may limit access to these beneficial programs for certain individuals who do not meet the specific criteria. Refinancing with Cross Country Mortgage may involve a complex process that requires careful consideration of various factors such as interest rates, repayment terms, and total finance charges. Homeowners need to navigate this complexity to ensure that refinancing truly benefits their financial situation without incurring higher costs in the long run. In conclusion, Cross Country Mortgage offers a range of valuable services and programs to assist home buyers and homeowners in achieving their financial goals. While considering any drawbacks, the company's commitment to providing competitive mortgage solutions and supporting clients throughout their home ownership journey remains a key strength. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.